G'day everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be cooking eggplant and turning it into bacon. Yes, vegan bacon, eggplant bacon. Got some nice ingredients here and let's get into it. Alright, so we've got olive oil, soy sauce, maple syrup, smoked paprika, liquid smoke and some pepper. So we're going to combine all those ingredients into a bowl. Some salt. It's smelling good. Okay, so we're gonna cut the eggplant like this. Then we quarter it. And then we cut thin strips. That's one. That's two. All right, so that's it. We've got our strips of eggplant, and the next will be to put the sauce on. Okay. All right, next step, get your eggplant onto a baking paper tray, and we're gonna put the sauce on all the eggplant. Alright, so we preheat the oven to about 150 degrees Celsius, 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and then pop them in. Alright, so leave them in for 45 minutes. I'll be back and we'll taste test 45 minutes. Alright guys, it's been 45 minutes. We've taken them out of the oven and now is the time for the taste test. So here we go. Not bad actually. I think that smoky stuff really helps. But that tastes not bad. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on a sandwich with some tomato, with some lettuce, BLT, vegan style bacon, organic bacon, vegan friendly bacon. Anyway guys, that'll be the video for today. Be sure to like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, I will see you guys next time.